When it comes to creating an inviting atmosphere, few palettes rival the charm of natural warm tones. Think earthy browns, soft beiges, muted terracottas, and creamy whites. These shades don't just look stunning, they evoke feelings of warmth, comfort, and relaxation. Your bedroom should be your escape from the world, a place to recharge and dream. And with these hues, achieving that vibe is easier than you might think. Have you ever stepped into a room and immediately felt at ease? A space where everything seems to embrace you with calmness and serenity? That's the magic of a bedroom designed in natural warm tones. Today, we're diving into how you can transform your bedroom into the ultimate retreat, a place that doesn't just look good but feels like a cozy hug every time you enter. The walls are your blank canvas. For a warm, natural aesthetic, consider painting them a soft beige or muted taupe. If you want a touch of drama, an accent wall in a deeper terracotta or clay shade can add depth without overpowering the space. A wallpaper with subtle natural textures, like linen or a leafy design, can also elevate the space while keeping the vibe grounded. One of the secrets to a stunning bedroom is layering textures. Combine soft cotton or linen bedding with a chunky knit throw in a warm rust color. Add a sheepskin rug or woven jute carpet underfoot for that extra cozy touch. Wooden furniture, especially in honey or walnut tones, complements the natural palette beautifully, grounding the space while adding character. No bedroom transformation is complete without the perfect lighting. The warm-toned lights mimic the golden glow of a sunset, making your bedroom feel intimate and inviting. Choose lampshades made of natural materials like bamboo or linen for a soft, diffused light. If possible, incorporate dimmable lights to adjust the ambience to your mood, whether you're reading, relaxing, or drifting off to sleep. Plants are an easy way to enhance the natural vibe of your bedroom. Consider low-maintenance greenery like pothos, snake plants, or even dried pampas grass in a terracotta vase. These elements bring life to the space and subtly tie in the warm tones. If you haven't already, take a moment to subscribe to this channel for more design inspiration, like this video, and leave a comment about your dream bedroom aesthetic. We'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas. While warm tones and natural materials set the stage, it's your personal touches that make the bedroom truly yours. Display cherished photos in wooden or brass frames. Stack a few of your favorite books on the nightstand. Add soft pillows in complementary hues like burnt orange or soft caramel to create a layered, luxurious look. A warm-toned bedroom doesn't need to be overcrowded. Embrace minimalism by selecting a few standout pieces, like a statement bed frame or an oversized piece of artwork. This keeps the room uncluttered, allowing the warm tones and textures to shine. Imagine this, it's the end of the day and you're unwinding in your natural tone bedroom. Soft lighting casts a golden glow, the textures around you feel as comforting as they look, and the atmosphere is perfectly serene. This could be your reality, an everyday retreat where you can recharge and reconnect. Your bedroom isn't just a room, it's your sanctuary. Designing it in natural warm tones doesn't just elevate its aesthetics, it transforms how you feel within it. So, are you ready to bring this cozy, natural haven to life? If so, don't forget to share your plans or ideas in the comments. We can't wait to hear about your dream bedroom.